To set a keyboard shortcut, click on Edit, Preferences, and a window will pop up. From here, click on Shortcuts. In this search bar, you search for the effect you want to change or add a shortcut to. I'll change 3 of the 6 I recommended. Silence audio. The default shortcut for silence audio is Ctrl-L, but Ctrl-L is inconvenient to use, so I'll change the shortcut to M, the first letter of mute. First click Clear at the bottom, and the Ctrl-L keyboard shortcut is gone. Then, place your mouse cursor in the box below and type M. Then click Set, and you can see that silence audio has been set to the M keyboard shortcut. Next, I'll set the shortcuts for fade in or out. I tend to use fade out more often, so I like to set fade out to F, the first letter of fade, and I like to set fade in to D, which is next to F on the keyboard. You can see that the shortcut for fade out is now F and fade in is D. Once you have finished setting them, click OK.